guys, welcome back to Kuma Reviews. Got some Transformers stuff going. More Iron Factory Legends class 4-inch scaled figures. This is their Iron Factory IF EX-32 Phecda and 33 Mizar. So in the middle, I've also got Dubé, which is their Tarn. So we've got the Decepticon Justice Division guys, we've got Voss, we've got Tarn, we've got Kaon. So we've got 3 more, and then we've got a full Decepticon Justice Division team, even though Iron Factory, because they're third party and they do the funky names and stuff like that, they're calling them the Spirits of the DEC, I believe. Yeah, so getting there, and these ones also combined, so a lot of cool stuff going on with them. Not doing the crazy size comparisons and stuff like that. We're just doing the Spirits of the DEC guys. At this point, I've got shelves full of all 30-something Iron Factory figures, and they're repaints, so that's a lot of digging through. Check out the gallery on kumastyle.com for, you know, just pictures of them with more Iron Factory figures and stuff like that. So you can see that these guys, Voss over here, Phecda, he's 3.5 inches. Mizar, Kaon, he is about 3 3/4, where Dubé, Tarn is that 4 inches on the dot. So we'll get him out of the way. They look good together. They are surprisingly accurate for being so small. That's one thing that Iron Factory continues to do well, especially if you're into those IDW homages and stuff like that. Let's take a look at the accessories it comes with. So, unbeknownst to me, the combiner, and I'm not saying this in a bad way, I just didn't know, but it's a parts former, so like the entire torso is the statue piece that comes with it. So when it comes time to go ahead and combine them, I'll show off all of that, but until then, it really makes no sense to have 3 out of 6 pieces of the combiner, especially when they don't combine into anything really suitable right now. Variety of hands for each. It's really cool that the hand swapping and things like that have become a regular thing for Iron Factory figures. Really cool stuff. An alternate mass style for Phecda. Yeah, let's go ahead. We'll start with their Kaon or Mizar. Just give you guys a roundabout. And we won't be doing transformations in this video. That will be a separate video. Just because 2 figures, and they're not exactly super duper quick transformations. Want to be able to transform it back and forth for you guys. And Mizar even has a scorpion mode and stuff like that. I believe it was Mastermind Creations that actually started with that. It's not comic accurate or anything like that. He normally just turns into the electric chair. So that's pretty cool. Phecda here, he just turns into the sniper rifle, which is what he's supposed to be. Just a really cool look. I actually like what they did with his silhouette. He's not as spindly, I think that's the word for it. Just really skinny, lanky, like scary looking to play with. Like the Mastermind Creations version, wasn't a fan of that, even though it was comic accurate. Just not really my thing. This has a bit more beef to it while still being thin. Alright, so looking at Phecda first. These pieces here move to give you some room. That just unclipped for me. It's his weapon as well as part of the sniper rifle, the front end. But head's just on a ball joint. So technically it has the ability to do a 360. Let's see if the backpack doesn't block it, which is really cool. The shoulders actually can move up and down. Alright. You saw that swivel? Alright, the elbows actually go back and forth. Double jointed. There's no distinct bicep swivel, but these are on a ball joint, the elbows. The secondary elbows, actually. Since the hand's just peg in and out, they do a swivel. No ball joints or anything like that. Waist swivel. Outward, front, back, so good stuff. And double jointed knees as well. Get those. Okay, ankle tilt, nothing too great. The feet do move, front and back. A little bit of articulation in the toe. There we go. It's actually really good. Put this peg back on. It doesn't peg in crazy deep. So even though it's not just falling off, you definitely got to watch it while you're posing around with it. Get Mizar on here. K-on, same. Ball jointed head. But there's another ball joint where the neck meets that clavicle area, so he actually does have a bit more movement. Alright. So pretty cool stuff. Shoulders also move up and down. 360. Let's see. No distinct bicep swivel. Double jointed elbows. Alright. Same deal with the swivel area. It's at that secondary elbow. Alright. 360 waist movement. Outward. Really impressive that they can do that full outward swing like that. Front. Back. Only blocked by the backpack here. Let's check out the knees. There's one. I see another one. It is double jointed, so good stuff. Take a look. Lots of ankle tilt right there. See if he has any front and backward movement. Yep, has some. See at the feet, anything? They move down, but I'm guessing that's for transformation. There's Mizar when he stops shaking. And rather than do a million poses, just kind of pose them both at the same time. As good of a landing pose as I can for Mizar and Phecda. Just blasting, double holding. He's got the exchanged hands. Using those exchanged hands or swap hands for that. The open hands as well. Pretty cool stuff. And now we've got the all modes for him. Pretty straightforward stuff. This is Phecda, Voss. It's a sniper rifle. He can actually be held by the combiners. Looking at these, it looks like he can actually be held by War Giant, which is the Bruticus as well. So it's cool to see that they're going to have the same like weapon hand types and stuff like that between them, because it's a good style. And then this is Mizar. Electric chair, normal stuff. And I've actually got one of their pieces here to see if she could set inside of it. She may be a bit big. But if she didn't have that big backpack, you kind of get the point. So I mean, there they are. These are Iron Factory's IF EX-32 Phecda and Mizar, Voss, and K-on members of the Decepticon Justice Division. Again, it comes with a statue piece as well. This is a hodgepodge of items. So it's the torso of the combined mode as well as the feet and an arm cannon as well. So found a cool way for those parts to combine when you don't have it fully combined. And this chest piece also goes on his head. And yeah, we'll definitely explore this a lot more when it comes to the combined mode, which should be sooner rather than later. This has been another Kuma style review. Like, share, subscribe, and make sure to check out the full breakdown, article, and gallery on these figures and more at kumastyle.com. Thank you.